Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you two different ways you can actually use to remove a person or object from a photo. The first method is using lasso tool. Then you select the area you want to remove. You have to be careful so that you do not cut off the other person's leg or hand, so you have to be careful. So after selecting it, you go to your select, modify, then your contract, let it be 5. Okay, you now go to edit, then you can actually choose fail or content aware fail. Actually they will still give you the same thing, so but let me use fail actually, then content aware. Okay, so now the object now will be removed. You now press Ctrl D to remove those lines. Then let's do the second one, so press Ctrl Z to bring it back. So now the second one is using selection tool. You select the area carefully, the area you want to remove, then you edit again. You can actually go for fill or content aware, so but let me go for content aware. So allow the Photoshop to do it magic. Okay, so now this is it. Now you have current layer, you have a new layer, you have a duplicate layer. So let me go for current layer because I don't want to have a duplicate of this layer. So let me go for current layer. So now the person now has been removed. So that is it. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Do well to subscribe and also share and comment. Thank you.